Hey everyone! The BOOX Go 6 Gen 2 is a compact Android-powered e-reader that focuses on delivering a flexible reading experience rather than locking users into a single ecosystem. While it doesn't introduce a dramatic redesign over its predecessor, it refines the formula with a small performance boost, stylus compatibility, and the same broad support for virtually every major ebook and document format. For readers who want more freedom than traditional e-readers offer, it remains an attractive option. Its 6-inch E Ink Carta display features a sharp 300 ppi resolution, producing crisp text and excellent readability. The matte screen effectively minimizes reflections, making it comfortable to use outdoors, while the adjustable dual-tone front light allows users to switch between cooler and warmer color temperatures for different lighting conditions. Although automatic brightness adjustment is missing, manual controls are easy to access through BOOX's convenient Quick Settings panel. One of the Go 6 Gen 2's biggest strengths is its software. Running Android gives users access to multiple reading platforms, cloud storage services, and productivity apps, while BOOX continues to support an impressive range of file formats, including EPUB, PDF, MOBI, CBZ, CBR, and many others. This flexibility makes it far more versatile than many competing e-readers. A notable upgrade is support for the InkSense Plus stylus, allowing users to write notes, annotate documents, and sketch directly on the display. Pairing is simple, and handwriting feels responsive enough for casual note-taking, although the stylus requires separate USB-C charging. Performance is slightly improved thanks to the increase to 3 gigs of RAM. Page turns remain smooth, and navigating menus feels a bit faster, but the entry-level processor still shows occasional delays when opening apps or browsing the web. BOOX's adjustable refresh modes help reduce ghosting and improve responsiveness depending on the task, whether reading, web browsing, or using Android applications. The device does not include built-in speakers, so audiobooks and other audio content rely entirely on Bluetooth 5.0 headphones or speakers. Connectivity is limited to Wi-Fi, with no cellular option for downloading books away from a wireless network. Battery life varies depending on usage. Heavy web browsing drains the battery much faster, while traditional ebook reading can easily last through a full day of regular use. The 1500 mAh battery isn't particularly large, but the efficiency of the e-ink display helps deliver respectable endurance for its size. Overall, the BOOX Go 6 Gen 2 is a well-rounded, compact e-reader that combines an excellent display, broad file compatibility, Android flexibility, and stylus support in a portable package. Existing Go 6 owners may not find enough improvements to justify upgrading, but new buyers looking for a versatile and highly customizable e-reader will find it to be an excellent everyday companion. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.